Hey guys, me here, and today I'm having, well, you can tell at the top, lunch lunchtime with Isaac, and today I have pretzels and peanut butter. So I had an idea because I like salty peanuts. If you do, just follow what I'm doing. Like, so you can also put, no, what am I saying, salty peanuts? That didn't even go with it. So you can get like a thing of peanuts, crush it up in peanut butter like I did. But I'm not gonna make a video of me doing that because that'll take forever. I had to smush them right and good, mix it into real peanut butter like this, and then I got some pretzels, but I haven't tasted it yet, so I get pretzel. I got the stick kind, so then I'll try it. Mmm, epic. There'll be something down on the side that'll tell you where to skip, because I'm gonna go get some teeny bit of salt and see how it tastes. If it tastes bad either way, I'm still gonna try eating it. Okay. Got some salt. Oh, yeah. I can have on my bite. Okay. So, dump a little teeny bit, about half a teaspoon. I better get a cup because I don't want to put too much. Okay. I'll tell you where to skip. It's gonna be on the side. Tell you where to skip, and then the salt is not coming out. I can get my other thing, the jar one. Okay. Half a teaspoon. Okay. Got half a teaspoon. Here's big spoon, so I'll dump it in. Now to mix it, I should have got a smaller spoon. Mmm. This is good. Haven't done this before. And then now I have to get another spoon. This is smaller, so this is better. So good. Okay, mixing it up. Mix, mix, mix. Okay. Now to test it. This is the old spoon when I changed it. Still got it, and now some is still on the spoon. So, okay, this is the spoon I was licking off, and here's the spoon now. I just grabbed some out of the jar. Okay. Mmm, that tastes better. I'll have more. Or you can go to my playlist, or you can see when I'm gonna do schedules of my videos. And yeah. Today is Sunday. I'm gonna do lunch times with, on Sunday. So good. Ugh. So good. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Anyone don't like me on Facebook? nothing because I forgot the password to those. So don't do any of that except for the blog spot. You can just go to my blog spot and then yeah. If you don't know what my blog spot is, I'll be in the. It's gonna be on the. Well, you've gotta know. It's gonna be on my channel somewhere. I think it's on. It's not on playlist, but yeah. So it'll be on the one after playlist. I think. Yeah. Okay. So good. Oh yeah, don't follow me on Twitter. That was a big mistake. I can't believe I forgot them both. All I got is my blog now. So don't like me on Facebook or friends. And yeah, that's mostly it. Subscribe and hope you learned a lot from this video. If you haven't, I'll tell you again. Like I said, get some half a teaspoon of salt and dip it. Put it in the peanut butter jar. And add some real peanuts and crush it in there, and then mix it up with the pretzel. My mixing it up, just get it out with the pretzel. I get it. Now this is good. So hope you learned a lot from this video. Peace.